Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2012 Holden Colorado, stock number 6531. It's ran from the 1st 2012 and the 9th 2013. Here's an LWH 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the LWH 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight has sun cracks. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Front bonnet. Left front door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard no dents. Right front headlight had sun cracks. Right front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Front courtesy light. Instrument cluster.